Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Pocket Broker and Expert Option. Pocket Broker and Expert Option both let users trade online, but they differ in a lot in reliability and trust. Pocket Broker is an online trading app that offers option, forex, CFDs, and quick trade features in a simple, easy-to-use platform. Many users like its clean design, fast deposits, and the ability to trade multiple assets from one place. It also provides demo accounts for practice, which is helpful for beginners. However, a lot of reviewers point out issues with withdrawals where money can take too long or not arrive at all. Some trades also complain about repeated verification checks that make the process frustrating. Others mention that the price charts don't always feel accurate, leading to trust concerns. Expert Option is a popular trading platform that focuses on digital options, forex, and CFDs with a very simple and modern interface. It is designed to be a beginner-friendly, offering a demo account and educational tools to help new traders learn. Many users like its quick trade execution, low minimum deposits, and the fact that it works smoothly on both desktop and mobile. It also includes social trading features, letting traders see and copy what others are doing in real time. On the downside, Expert Option is not available in some countries and is not as strictly regulated as bigger brokers, which can be a safety concern. Some users also report issues with withdrawing funds quickly. Overall, Expert Option is generally better than Pocket Broker because it offers a smooth interface, more learning tools, and stronger community features, though both have withdrawal concerns. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.